halfway through the end of this run. Well, halfway towards the end of this run. It was just too early for me to worry about recording. You wouldn't have been able to see anything because of the simple fact that, where are you coming from? The sign's the wrong way. There though, we are a little over an hour away from the drop in, I'm going to assume I'm pronouncing this incorrectly, Menominee, Wisconsin. I'm sorry for anyone that might be watching from there if I just butchered your name. But when you take a look at a map of 90% of the places in Florida, you could have a translator for you and they'd still get it wrong. Anyway, there's a storm that's out there and I've been watching it for about an hour now. I don't know if we're going to go into it because it seems to be pretty scattered. So we shall see. Well, if you're still watching the video at this point, if there is anything that you would like to see in a... Alright, hold on, back up. There was a sign back there for restaurants that are coming up, and one of them was Gimli's Family Restaurant. My fellow Lord of the Rings fans, are we confused, or are we just laughing? Anyway, if you're still watching this, if there's something that you want to see in the future, let me know. I am working on some backing videos. I do have an idea for a pre-trip video because there's not enough of those out on the interwebs these days. But hey, you're here on my page, and there must be some reason for it.